see one mission we can do here. Oh, I missed a few scanner pictures. Me and Naka with Embers. Man, she gonna win a hell of a long time, mate. Couple of side missions. Yeah. Oh, there's find a way to. Nah, I don't feel like doing that. Some quick and easy gunfights. Although you get pretty low amount of XP for doing these assault and progresses. You get the most XP doing the main missions, which is not spellbound, it's a solid yellow circle exclamation ones for me. Yeah, alright. Damn. Yeah, see, solid yellow. Get the most XP doing that. Maybe read your slide. I think it's go see slaughter. No, nope, 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 and nope. Nope. Geez, 3 out of 200. Oh, that'll take a long time. That'll take a shit ton of time. Any ups I can get? Here, nope. Damn, I'm kicking ass. Yeah. Yeah. Oh man, I want to find that revolver with flame details. Where the fuck is it? Huh? Steal something. Let's steal something. Let's steal something. Steely McSteely. I'll steal this. I'll steal that. Hey, there's what's her name in here somewhere. Still in here? Hello? Oh, where'd she go? Oh, she going? Where is she? Oh, she works at a bar. She must be at a bar. She just left her car here. Okay. There goes it. Hey, respawn. Alright, let's get some quick and easy. Can I do a quick and easy? Whoop. Yep. Yo, what up, motherfuckers? I think there's something in this van. Oh, you've already been here. Okay, never mind. What? See if I can get up here. Wingy? Got up there. Let's go on a mission, just fucking go wherever I want. Wherever, I'll go where I want. Look, get up. Dummy. So. Okay. Well, listen back here again. I've been here before. Huh? I've been here. Car. School home. Stop right in front of me instead of half a block down the street, please. Can't run with this sniper equipped. Okay. Jesus. Do going on a road trip. And here we are. Real shortest road trip.
John just came in. You're gonna break into the SciTech factory, steal some designs belonging to a certain Rihanna Kumar. Surprise, surprise. Client's Kumar herself. Guessing you'll need to wrap your head around this one, so be sure to scan the deeds.
And the minimap just told me to come here. Okay, no. Of course, I have to be on the wrong side. Thank you, minimap. Oh, damn, she's got a fat ass.
Another inspection? But I'm supposed to be gone in an hour. I'm gonna lose my job. Find someone.
Just casually strolling. Yeah, I'm not doing a job, don't worry about me. You just keep looking at that. Security camera not triggered on. Yeah, it's triggered on. Hey man, what's up? Oh man, you really didn't even freaking do anything. Damn. What the hell, man? Yeah, I mean, come on, man. Yeah. Damn, this one's a powerful one. Alright, who's next? Hey, dude, what's up, man? Bye bye. Damn, zip, zip, zip. Stay down. It's dismembered and on fire. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it'll stay down, right? Oh fuck, man! I just went over kick. Well, cock shot. What's that? Ow. Fuck shooting me through walls. Shame.